Hey, welcome to PB&J Farms. I'm Papa Brian. I'm in the garden right now harvesting for our Tuesday afternoon farmers market, the Church Street Farmers Market. What I'm talking about today is farming as an ecosystem. Right now I'm underneath a chestnut tree and harvesting some spinach. And I've got a garden full of annual crops here amongst our perennial crops, which are this chestnut, a fig tree back here. I've got some elderberry bushes over here. Then our strawberry patch, which is somewhat a perennial crop. It's more of a biennial crop. It would take a lot of energy for me to keep up with the calories that God can produce just out of this fig tree and the chestnut tree and our apple trees. Stuff that gets planted one time and runs on pretty much autopilot compared to annual crops that I have to plant and tend to. We're trying to farm here as an ecosystem without any sprays, chemicals, and sometimes we'll take pictures out here where we have frogs crawling around on our cucumber trellis, or with ladybugs here in the spinach, and that's what we're all about here. Take a look at our gardening videos where we're starting a garden on a budget and how to remove the grass before you get going with your garden. And keep on joining us out here at PB&J Farms. Thank you.